Friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so we have a lot of deals over at Walgreens Curbside. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, lovingly known as a curbside pickup. It's the box on the left-hand side with the green check as well. Now, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store, you want to see what you're buying, watch yesterday's video, and there's a ton of little deals. And it's just really great week over at Walgreens. The register rewards are in-store only. If you're going to do a deal curbside, you will not get your register rewards. So just remember that. So let's get right into this video. I will link yesterday's haul video at the end if you want to watch it, and let's get right into this. So deal number one, again, we're doing this curbside. You're going to need these two best friends loaded, the 10 back when you spend 30 and the 7 back when you spend 30. These are both boosters, so the balance you have to use your debit or credit card to pay. Do not use Walgreens cash or you will not get $17 back when you're spending 30. It's a hard and fast rule there, and they are a casino that does not like to lose, so don't even tempt it. So for this first basket, we're really going to grab meat and potato items, and see how it says 7 back when you spend 30. You know you're grabbing the right items when that pops up. And we also have little discount codes we can use with it too that we will investigate. So for this first basket, we're going to be grabbing a lot of like laundry care products. So the first is the Tide Pods with the $3 digital. So make sure you have that friend loaded, and you can grab whatever Tide Pods you want. I'm just throwing the quickest ones I could find for my basket. It's not a big master plan. I just threw some stuff into a basket. The next item is this Febreze scent booster. You plug in the oils and then it just mists your house up and it makes it magic. And we have a $5 digital, so that's why it makes this product such a great one. Load that $5 digital as well. And then the last item we're going to grab is one of these larger Tides for $12.99 with another $3 digital coupon. So all 3 items. To show you guys our chorus line, Heart 15, $3.75 melting off, $5 for Febreze, and then $6, 3 and 3 for the Tide Pods and Tide Liquid. Now the overall total for this basket is $35.97. With the $3.75 with that coupon code melting off, we're at $32.22. So for both boosters, we're still at $30. We are rocking and rolling right there. We get free curbside pickup, tax, $11 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $23.15 and then get back $17 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the 30 and 7 for buying household items. So that is quite magical. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, again, you need your 2 best friends loaded. Now, these are of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely which deal you wish to do. A lot of us love to shop curbside because there is no mystery that, will this register reward print, yes or no? It's pretty easy shopping. We're going to be tossing in 2 of these Swiffer Duster kits for $7.99 each, and we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. That's a coupon I would just load right away. Don't even question me. Just go and load it right away. We're also going to throw in our best friend, this Febreze plug for $9.99. And remember the $5 digital. Please have that loaded. Okay, the next item we're going to grab is, just to get the math to balance here, one of these Dawn power washes, a favorite for everybody. I mean, who doesn't like a power wash, right? For $6.49, and then just to show you the 10 off of 2, the $5, and then $1.75 melting off with WAG 10. Okay, so our overall total is $32.46. With WAG 10, it's at $30.71. So we're still at both thresholds. We have $15 in manufacturers melting off. You'll pay $17.55 with your debit card or credit card, and then get back $17. Not factoring in the tax. That's a free basket, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. It's extreme couponing, and we love deals like this, and I think this is a superb deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, class, is with the Valentine's Day. So you need these 2 friends loaded. The 7 back when you spend 30, it's also including Valentine's Day items. I know that Valentine's Day is celebrated on Saturday, but let's be real. Couponers are the most generous people I know. I know a lot of you probably will have a nice bowl of candy at your desk at work, or you will just be sharing with family and friends some of your finds. But a lot of these different candies are $5.20, so it'd be really easy, throw 6 in for a basket. Alternatively, if you have little ones that are in school and they need like last minute cards or whatever, I believe all of that is also included. So I'm just grabbing a variation of products that you possibly can build a basket. And then also the Squishmallows. I mean, who wouldn't love to get one of these for Valentine's Day for $9.79? And all of the Valentine's Day stuff to really make a push. I believe it's 20% off this week. So get that math to balance. And then a couple of these Russell Stover's hearts, because I'm using a coupon code, so I needed to toss something extra into the basket. They also have the smaller little hearts. So, you can throw that in, or these smaller ones as well. Whatever you want to do. And then so using the code WAG10, we're saving an additional $2.40. Unfortunately, there are no coupons for a Snoopy Squishmallow, but the overall total for this is $33.75. Subtracting $2.40, it's $31.35. A little bit of tax. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $31.94 and then get back $17. Not factoring in our tax, it basically makes it like $13 for all of that. And if you just wanted to go just with Squishmallows, if you just wanted to go with like candy, you can do whatever you want. Just make sure you're at $30 after the coupon codes. And do not use any Walgreens cash. Let's not forget that. Okay, the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and we're going to throw in other offers into the mix. The 5-pack when you buy 2 Olay moisturizers, and a 4-pack when you buy 2 P&G dental care products with this friend. So it's very quick to get to a $30 basket, and that 10-pack makes it a little bit of magic and cotton candy for this deal. So the first items that we're grabbing is going to be 2 of these Olay Completes. I have never tried them, but it seems like a really nice lotion with SPF 15. Even in the dead of winter, you need your SPF on a sunny day. So 2 of them is $23.98. Unfortunately, no coupons though for this product. And then 2 of these scopes for $5 each, and we have that 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Loaded. Then just to show you guys the $4, and then WAG20 taking an additional $2.40 off, so that is not too shabby. The overall total for your basket is $33.98, subtracting $2.40. We're still at $31.58. $4 manufacturer melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $29.47 and get back $19.33, which is fantastic. So what a deal, especially if you wanted to try out those Olay lotions. Now, to let you guys know, Fetch has this rebate on Olay facial care products. I'm not sure if that lotion is part of it, but try and get a receipt. Ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, because you spend $48, you're getting back almost $4, so not a bad deal with Fetch. Before I take off into the big sunset, I just wanted to point something out. The week previous at Walgreens, we had a buy one, get 2 for free on these food storage bags. And this week, it's buy one, get 1 free. And I just did some rooting around, like, is it the larger sandwich bags, like the ones that have like 200 bags in it for like $8? Is that the buy one, get 1 free? Or is it the smaller ones? Like, what is included? Or are they going to change something? And I've just been kind of wondering about it, because I know that with some candy bars, they were 3 for $3 for the longest time, the Milky Way, and now it's buy one, get 1 free too. The buy 3 for $3 hasn't been around for weeks. And is this going to be part of it? Because this promotion has been going on for years and years and years, and this would be really not so great. The buy one, get 2 for free is what we're used to, and then now buy one, get 1 free. And then I did go into the app yesterday and kind of started rooting around the first day of the flyer. This is something we've been discussing a little bit on Instagram, and it's gone from 93 cents to $1.74, which is like not so great. It's still cheaper than buying like Ziploc at like Walmart or something like that. But what are they doing? I will definitely stay on top of this to see what happens. Next week, is it back? Was it just an oversight for 1 week? I don't know, guys, but it is rather strange. And then the thing with the candy bar, I've noticed as well, rather odd. Yesterday's video is linked right here. We will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.